Hi guys! Today I wanted to show you a little something. It is not an assignment or anything yet unless your teacher assigns it to you. So as I'm recording this, this is just an idea for you to keep busy during your quarantine, lockdown, schools, homeschool, all that. COVID-19. Okay, so this is my glue book. If you don't know what a glue book is, it's just a book that I glue things in. And I write in and paint in and that kind of thing. That's not what we're talking about. So in here I have some paper, and I want to show you about collage. So I was thinking about starting a collage series, and what you would need is a piece of paper, but you could use some junk mail or anything a little bit thicker, and then some scraps of paper or some magazines. Magazines work really great. I also have this big guy. I have maps, things like this that I tore out of magazines. What else do I have in here? Like free postcards and brochures from different things, things torn out of books. Not that I'm going to read the book, but free materials, any sort of paper that comes to me or I have. Sometimes you can get free little free brochures and sent to you. So paper, colorful paper, and then you'll need a glue stick. You could use Elmer's glue or whatever. And what you're gonna do, let me get all this out of the way. This was actually another thing that I'm going to use. This, I got an AeroPress, and this is the other languages, so you can use this. So let's just start with that. So you're going to tear and glue. And so I just want to show you how I glue, and then I'll fast forward. But I go around the edge, and then in the middle, and then go around the edge again. Seems like a lot, but you want it to stick. Okay, so I was going to tell you, you don't want to actually cut out things. So what I mean by that is, here's my magazine. I don't want to like cut out this flower, or I don't want to choose something that is beautiful that I might want to keep, because we are going to completely cover this. So you'll still see color and stuff, but yeah, don't cut out something that is beautiful that you want to be a focal point or anything like that. Cut out things that you don't really care about, but you like their color, I guess is the way I'll say it. Like, I like this yellow part here. Okay. So, and then you can alternate. You don't have to do all vertical or all horizontal. You can kind of piece it together however makes sense to you. Okay, it's like a puzzle. Okay guys, so here is a few examples of the first step, just gluing down paper. This is my 3-year-old daughter's interpretation. This is my 6-year-old daughter's interpretation. And these are my interpretations. So there's no right way, it's just paper glued down. Sometimes they overlap. Sometimes there's white space in between. You can see I have like a butterfly in a house and another butterfly. But really it's just color, texture. This one has a lot more color and texture, designs. I love using maps if you can get yourself a hold of maps, but a lot of this is just magazine patterns, colors I found in magazines. So this is the one that I did here. Now I left a few things like hanging off. You can just come back with a scissor and cut them off or tear them. One thing you'll notice is I didn't use scissors for the actual cutting or tear, I tore the paper. That's kind of important. You want that rough edge. Yeah, so that's the first step. And then go ahead, if you're following along, go ahead and do that first step. And then I will show you the second step in another video. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you're doing at home okay, washing your hands, going on walks, showing your family you love them. Bye.